This George Richard 3 HP has waited a long time for a second life. We will restore this George Richard 3 HP carefully, piece by piece, and keep its Belle Époque soul intact. Look at this moss. It's exactly where I expected it. All right, here it is, the George's Richard. She's seen better days, hasn't she? George Richard 3 HP 1900. It's seen better days, but the frame is solid. This needs our touch.
All right, here it is. Looks like it's been through a lot. We'll take good care of it. Let's get started. All right, easy does it. Just slide it away. There, got it. Let's inspect this hub. All right, let's see about loosening this up. Steady, steady. Got it. It's coming apart. Look at that grease. All right, let's get this bonnet off. You can see all the layers of history underneath. Wow, look at that buildup.
The George Richard, 1900. It's time to uncover the heartbeat of this old machine.
All right, slowly now. Don't want to damage that original finish. Got it. Now, over to the stand.
The George Richard, a beautiful glimpse into history. We've got the chassis stripped down now, ready for the next phase.
Each piece, from the brass lamps to the yellow panels, tells a story of the George Richard 3 HP.
All right, careful now. Got it? Easy.
The George's Richard. She needs a lot of work. First, clear the century of dirt. All right, slowly now. Don't want to bend anything.
Perfect. Resting place. All right, let's see what's under here. Getting there? That's much better.
The George's Richard 3 HP, coming clean nicely.
Almost there. Looking good.
All right, time to dry this seam properly. Getting that last bit of water out of the George Richard.
The cleaning phase is done. We can see where the rust remains, but the mechanical forms are ready for repair. All right, this is the George's Richard 3 HP after the initial deep clean. We've got the yellow panels looking bright. The frame is All right, just gentle pressure here. Getting through that surface layer now. All right, time to make sure there's absolutely no dust left before the primer goes on.
First coat going on. Coverage looks pretty even. Just what we wanted.
The George's Richard 3 HP wheel center needed a fresh coat. A dark, durable finish will protect this hub geometry for another century.
Precision is key on a century-old wheel like this. Looking good, what's next? Just a few more spokes, then the hub.
You can see the initial imperfections here. We apply the sanding block slowly. Watch the water turn milky. Now,
This is the George Richard 3 HP, body panels fully restored. It's a true masterpiece of our dedication and skill.
Almost there. See that reflection? Worth every minute. You want to pack it in deep, make sure it fills every gap. Keep that old metal running smooth.
The George's Richard brake rods are perfectly aligned, ready for refitting. After careful refinishing, the suspension parts are ready. That pristine black coating and clean metal mean this George Richard is ready for reassembly.
the brake mechanism is back in place, fitting like it should. Just need to tighten these down now.
All right, that's it. Right into place. Now, just to tighten it up, all right, just a little more pressure, should seat nicely now. Perfect. Line it up there, just like that. It's a perfect fit. The lug nuts next. Almost there, just a little further.
Yeah.
And she's on.
Yeah.
Now, to secure it properly,
Yeah.
just need to tighten this down. Done. All right, this is the George's Richard 3 HP front wheel, the yellow rim, polished spokes. And there she goes, locking right into place.
Perfectly aligned, just how it should be. Another piece of history preserved. The George Richard 3 HP tiller restored to perfection. Moving the mechanism back into the front section is a delicate... The George's Richard mechanism is incredibly smooth. Just needs a final check on this pivot point. Excellent. It's rolling beautifully. Look at those gears turn. The George's Richard 3 HP. Mechanical restoration complete. Ready for its new life.
The seat frame is cleaned and repaired, ready for upholstery.
You need a good amount of tension to make this sit just right. There, that should hold. Almost there. You can feel the history under your fingertips. Almost there. Just a little more off the edge here.
The fit is perfect. Excellent, let's secure it now.
All right, perfect, just like it should be.
Perfect, it's exactly how it should be.
Perfect. She's got just enough tension now.
I'm truly proud to present the George Richard 3 HP. This restoration has been a labor of love, and the attention to detail speaks for itself. It's ready.
Precision, another piece of history restored perfectly to its original glory by SK Restoration. Absolutely flawless.
The George Richard. She deserves nothing less. The final touches on a true beauty. After years of dedication, the George Richard 3 HP is finally complete.
If you want to see more forgotten legends restored like this George Richard 3 HP, stay with us for the next journey. Thank you for watching the rebirth of this George's Richard 3 HP, and I will see you in the next restoration.